Bringing business to your community is a global competition, and that process is economic development. It begins with relationships and visibility, a community telling its success stories and showing how new businesses can get in on the action. That's what the Upstate South Carolina Alliance does. The Upstate has grown tremendously with new automotive, aerospace, engineered materials, food processing, and life science companies. And there's opportunity for more. By investing in the Upstate SC Alliance, your company can be part of the region's business growth strategy.
At the Upstate Alliance, we wake up every day thinking about the region's future, ensuring there are opportunities to come. We work as a team with 10 counties, many cities, the South Carolina Department of Commerce, and nearly 200 private sector business investors from many industries. We market the Upstate to companies considering new locations. We provide research-driven business insights, and we create opportunities for your business to network, grow connections, and build your business.
The Upstate South Carolina Alliance has nearly 200 private sector investors from many industries. As investors, we help shape the stories that we tell about the region. We are the first to know when new businesses are coming to the area. We have access to unique programming about the economy, business trends, and what's happening across the state. Investors build relationships across the 10-county region, learning more about the Upstate's ecosystem, how we can work together, and the opportunities for our businesses to grow. And the public-private collaboration that happens as a result is the spirit that feeds success and attracts new opportunities. The outcome is a diversified business landscape with career opportunities and an enhanced quality of life.
We can't do it without you. Join Team Upstate and let's grow together.